phone so you can plan ahead. Just search NBC4 WX in your app store.
A legal storm is now brewing over the decades of sexual abuse by OSU Athletics Director Dr. Richard Strauss. Teams of attorneys for Ohio State and the more than 300 remaining plaintiffs were in federal court today for the first status conference in this case since the United States Supreme Court refused to hear OSU's argument that the statute of limitations should prevent the claims from moving forward at all. Judge Michael Watson had previously acknowledged that the plaintiffs had suffered sexual abuse at the hands of Dr. Strauss and that university officials were aware of it. Now that the nearly 5-year fight over the statute of limitations is over, the judge promised to be aggressive with the cases, saying, "We are going to move them quickly. They have been pending a long time, and we have a responsibility to make sure they get the justice they deserve." He says aggressive. What does that mean to you? How long do you want this to take?
We want it to take as short a period of time as possible, since we've been waiting 5 years to do this. But there are a lot of moving parts. There's a lot of plaintiffs. And it takes time to do this. And schedules and depositions and document review does take time. We'd like to see it done within a year.
You know, I want apologies. I want a lot of apologies. Not only the OSU of back then, but all the things that they've done now. I want apologies for all the gaslighting, all the statements, all the negativity that they've done toward all of us survivors.
The judge ordered the attorneys to present a list of all active cases and to discuss the chance of some of the remaining claims being consolidated by July 14th. No trial date has been set. Richard Strauss joined Ohio State in 1978 and retired as an emeritus professor in 1998. He earned tenure and published a variety of research papers. He also tested Olympic athletes for drugs during the 1984 Summer Games in LA. Strauss killed himself in 2005 at the age of 67. OSU opened an investigation into Strauss in 2018 after sexual abuse allegations came to light. Eventually, hundreds of former student athletes came forward with these claims.